For an iliac lat pull down, we want to mimic a pull down on any other cable machine, just with a little bit more added stability, which is why we're going to use the bench. So when you set up the cable system, it should be at about head height, but this really depends on the length of your limbs, torso, etc. So you may need to sit and move things around to make sure that you're set up for success. We do want to be using a neutral grip or slightly angled neutral grip. You can also just add on D handles to any sort of bar so that you have a little bit more of free motion to move around as well. Once you have that set up, what we're looking for as far as the bench is we don't want to be bending over or really angled forward. Again, we want to mimic that pull down position. So we're going to be a lot more upright, but basically instead of pulling completely forward, we just want the cable system at a slight angle that we're able to pull down in line with those iliac fibers. So when we think about these fibers that run in this direction, we always want that line of resistance to follow as well. So to set up, you're going to grab the handles or the attachment and focus on driving your upper arm or your humerus down and then back up to the starting position. Note we're not pulling back or down to our hip or past our body. We're finishing right in front of our body. So what you'll see here, if my bench is a little bit too angled, my arms are really high and out of that active range where we really want to be more so here. So this is where I would adjust the bench to just be at a higher incline to kind of support the line of resistance aligning with those lower lat fibers. In order to make sure your setup is perfect so that you can execute the exercise well, this is a great opportunity to just send a form video for some feedback to make sure that you're set up for this exercise.